I think, let's see if Blitzkrieg, nope. Let's go back up here to these. This is Blitzkrieg 1979, so I don't know if this is the same one that you were thinking. Is that, you think you first saw it? We'll take a look here. Blitzkrieg, shoot 'em down with your gun. It's a variant. This is right here in the southern states. I like it already. Press 0 or 1. 0 is paddle controls the gun. 1 keyboard. UDF. So up, down, and F. Or up, down, and fire. So we will do 1. Up, down, and fire. Alright. Fire! Oh, it goes pretty slow. Up, up, up. Down. Fire. Alright, let's try this. We'll get him on the upshot. Ha ha ha! That was a lucky shot. It's gonna be easy here. Oh, I went right through them. Oh, they're dropping bombs. Don't bomb my trees. That's rude. Notice how it goes right through the ships a lot? That doesn't seem to be fair. Oh, there's a little guy. Look at that. Oh, those guys. Oh, they're. I guess it's perspective. They're further away. That makes more sense. Oh, I thought I'd found a bug here, but let's go up one. I don't like the guys that drop bombs. Boom! That's a pretty fun little game. Yeah, that's all right. Oh, I like the arcing shots. I like dropping it down on them. Oh, up there's one up the tailpipe there. All right, we're gonna get this guy out of the wall here. Oh, look at that! What is that? Oh, I missed that guy. Yeah, this isn't bad. I mean, you know, by today's standards, it's garbage, right? It's like, you know, my standard for a long time was, you know, would my kid play it? And, or would they play it for more than 30 seconds? And I'm sure, I don't know if they would play this or not, but in the context of time, you know, in the era it was released, it's pretty fun. I would play it. I want to drop it right on his head. What's that coming in from behind? So, oh, I missed him. Turn it. Oh, golly. Come on. F, 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 F. Lemonade stand, that was a good one. Before this, you'd only seen pet ski games. Yeah, so oh, whoops. Not quite high enough arch. I guess I'm shooting my own bullets. That's what those some of those explosions are. Boom! Oh, look at that. That was like a firework thing. That's pretty cool. Oh, man. Oh, it goes in for the backside. Well, this is pretty fun. I like this. This might go on the... I have a folder. I haven't put anything in here yet, but if you look... as I do set up on a lot of these, I have one that's just called favorites. And so the ones that I tend to go back to and play from time to time, I drop them in there. So I will definitely have to drop that into the favorites.